Have you ever felt like having money this minute, and the next minute your money was disappearing in your eyes? Like, poof, it's gone? It's not bad luck. It's your bad money habits. Let's break it down with this analogy. Habit 1, impulse spending. You see something, you want it, you buy it. Your brain says, do it. Your wallet says, please stop. That's not shopping. That's self-sabotage. Habit 2, not investing. You save money, but don't grow it. You hide it under mattress. But guess what? Inflation eats it, like snacks. Money needs to work, not nap. Habit 3, wasting time. You scroll for hours on your phone. Watch television shows endlessly. Watch other people succeed. Meanwhile, your own goals is still on the loading process. Time is money. Don't waste both. Habit 4, bad company. You hang out with Lazy Larry, Ite, and Broke Bob. People who their brain bulbs are totally off or even dead. If they don't grow, you won't either. Choose better friends. Habit 5, living too big. You get paid, you buy shoes, eat out, party wildly like you don't care. Then rent shows up, and you begin to cry. That's not self-care, that's bad math. But here's the truth. Good money habits are simple. Save, think, grow. Your brain bulb will shine, and your wallet will thank you. Work hard, stay positive, learn from real-life experiences, and please hit subscribe for more stick figure wisdom.